NFL fantasy football issues. 1. Fix login problems 69%. Clear cache and cookies. Go into your browser app settings and remove stored cache/cookies. Old login tokens often block access. Reset password. If login fails repeatedly, reset your NFL account password and log in again. Use another device browser. Sometimes mobile browsers or outdated apps cause issues. Switch to another device or download the latest NFL fantasy app. Check 2FA, two-factor authentication. Make sure codes are being sent to the correct device email. Resync your device time if codes don't work. 2. Fix website problems 21%. Update browser. Ensure Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox is fully updated. Outdated browsers often fail with new site scripts. Disable extensions such as ad blockers. Some extensions interfere with fantasy stats loading. Open the site in incognito private mode. Flush DNS. On PC, open command prompt and type. You can see the code in our conversation history. This clears old network records that may block site loading. Not 3. Fix server connection issues. 11%. Check internet stability. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to confirm if the issue is local. Restart router/device, power cycle router, and clear network temp issues. Change DNS. Use Google DNS 8.88.8, 8.84.4, or Cloudflare 1.11.1 for faster, more reliable connections. Try off-peak hours. NFL servers sometimes overload during game start times. Waiting 5 to 10 minutes can resolve auto connection errors. Pro tip, always keep the NFL Fantasy app updated. Many issues are caused by outdated builds, and new patches usually solve login and server problems.